Right now at 5, growing concern about COVID in schools.
When you have to quarantine 20 teachers and you have over 400 students in quarantine, there's got to be multiple cases that have been confirmed. They just don't appear in the dashboard yet.
And new questions about quarantine leads to a new push to protect teachers.
People need PPE, and so it was an absolute necessity.
Tonight, the new effort to keep teachers safe at school.
Tonight, the president of the United Teachers of Dade says she is alarmed by a high number of students and teachers in quarantine at another high school.
Last night, we told you about a spike in quarantines at Miami Senior High. Now, the number in quarantine is twice that at Barbara Goldman Senior High in Miami Lakes. That's where CBS 4's Peter Dench is live. And Peter, are parents and students worried?
Well, Lauren, we caught up with parents and students as school let out, and many tell us they are not worried. They say they accept the quarantines as part of the precaution the school system is taking. Meanwhile, the United Teachers of Dade says the numbers are much too high. Many teachers are on edge.
Teachers are beyond anxious. We have teachers that cry on the phone when they call us.
UTD President Carla Hernandez-Matz says some teachers are particularly concerned about Barbara Goldman Senior High School, where representatives tell her that 400 students and 20 teachers are in quarantine because of possible exposure to someone with a coronavirus.
You have over 400 students in quarantine. There's got to be multiple cases that have been confirmed. They just don't appear in the dashboard yet.
That school's dashboard shows 265 people with the virus, 88 employees and 177 students, and just 3 positive cases at Barbara Goldman. Hernandez-Matz fears the numbers will rise.
We know that children in Barbara Goldman Senior High are now being put in the auditorium because they don't have teachers to be teaching them in their classrooms. And so now you're bundling people up in one room where the ventilation may not be adequate.
Students confirm some classes are being taught in the auditorium, but those we speak with are not worried about the rising number of those in quarantine.
And I think they're just doing it for the safety of us and just like not having so many kids in school. They have to do what they have to do in order to guarantee our safety.
Miami Senior High School has 9 positive cases. 200 students and 17 teachers there are in quarantine. The school system says quarantines are an important precaution after students are exposed to someone with the virus.
It concerns me, but I think the school system, the school itself has been extremely proactive in, dealing with the quarantines and making sure that the students are safe and that they're following the safety protocols.
The UTD says Miami-Dade schools should be safer after FOH Health Essentials donates 500,000 disposable face masks for teachers.
We needed to get this out to teachers who are literally frontline workers, essential workers, every single day doing incredible work.
Now, the United Teachers of Dade says any teacher needing a mask can pick them up at UTD headquarters at Northwest 55th Street and Northwest 55th Avenue and 36th Street in Miami Springs. Now, the company donating those masks made a big commitment. Those masks are worth a total of more than $250,000. We're live in Miami Lakes. Peter Dench, CBS 4 News.